children, today let's start with chapter number 9, a visit to space. So in this chapter, we will study about space, all objects that we see in the sky such as sun, moon and the stars. What we call them heavenly bodies. Right? Heavenly bodies में आपके planets, satellites, asteroids, comets and meteors all are included. Right? Now let's study about solar system. So the solar system consists of sun, 8 planets and their satellite and other heavenly bodies such as comets and asteroids. All the planets and other bodies move around the sun in a fixed orbit, जिसे हम orbit कहते हैं. और जो gravitational force होती है sun की, वो क्या करती है, वो keeps all the planets and other bodies in their orbit within the solar system, right? So these are the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets that revolve around the sun. First is our sun. It is a star. It is a hot ball of fire and big ball of hot burning gas. It is closest star to our Earth. It gets peak at light. Moon. It is the only natural satellite of the Earth. It moves around the Earth and completes one rotation in 24 hours or 27 1/3 days. Star and constellation. At night, the sky looks crowded with millions of twinkling stars. They are scattered throughout the sky in cluster or group. If you look closely, they appear to give outlines of the images of animal or people. The stars look very tiny, but they are in fact much bigger than the moon and sun. And they appear very small because they are too far away from the sun or moon. ये बहुत दूर है, right? Next is planets. If you look around the sun early in the morning or in the evening, you will see very bright star in the star. This is a morning star कहते हैं और evening star दे. It is not real star. ये real star नहीं होता है. और it has planet Venus which has a heavenly object which moves around the star. It is one of the planets जो कहाँ move करता है around the sun. And there are 8 planets in the solar system. Now we have artificial satellite. What is artificial satellite? Is a man-made object that orbit the Earth. In order to launch satellite into space, we need to overcome the Earth's gravity. This is achieved by launching satellite by powerful rockets. So in 1957, Sputnik first, एक artificial satellite which was sent to space by USSR. In 1975, जो आर्यभट्ट था, he was the first Indian satellite was sent to space. That is Bhaskar, Rohini, Shroshi or INSET. Right? There are different types of satellite, each designed for a specific person. Communication satellite, they send signals for TV and radio program and telephone calls. There are many humans that went to space. The adventurous spirit of human has held together knowledge about unknown and unseen. So we can say on 12 April 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first man to go into space. Or in 1963, Valentina Tereshkova became the first woman to go into space. Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin were the first person to land on the moon. They landed on the moon on 21st July 1969. On April 1984, Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian to go to space. He, along with 2 Russian cosmonauts, went to spacecraft. This is the name of Sukhoi Su-11. And the conversation with the Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi described Indian from space as Sahare Jahan se Acha, better than the whole world. And Kalpana Chawla, born in Karnal, Haryana, was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. On 19th November 1997, a part of National Astronaut and Space Administrative NASA program, she went on her first space flight. And for there, in January 2003, on her way back, जब वो वापस आई, her space shuttle met with an accident and Kalpana and all other crew members were killed. सारे क्या हुए थे? मर. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood about the different planets and the space people I have told you. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.